In this video, we're going to show you how to create a host discovery scan in Nessus. I've already signed it in Nessus. I'm going to click on Create a New Scan. Here are the various scan policies that are available to us. In this case, we want to do a host discovery scan, so I'm going to click on Host Discovery. I give my scan a name. I want to make sure that I use an intelligent and meaningful name. I can also put in a longer description as well. If I have multiple folders in Nessus, I can put it in a different folder. Under targets, I can do IPv4, IPv6, CIDR block, or host name, and I can mix and match as well. I'm going to go ahead and put an IP range in. We can also upload a target file from a plain text file. I click on Schedule. I can put the scan on a schedule. In this case, we're going to run at 8 a.m. Central Time each day. And I can change my frequency as well. In this case, I'm going to run it daily. Under notifications, if my SMTP server is configured, I can tell it to email me the results when it's done. Under discovery, the default is just host enumeration. I can also do operating system identification, various levels of port scanning, and create custom as well. Under reports, the default is to allow people to edit the results and also to display only hosts that respond to ping. I can tell it to designate hosts by their DNS name, and I can also tell it to display IP addresses that did not respond as well. Under advanced, I can tell it to slow down the scan when it detects network congestion. I can set my network timeout value. I can set my max simultaneous checks per host. That's how much load it's going to put on any individual target. I can change my max simultaneous hosts per scan, which will impact how much network traffic is generated. I can also adjust my concurrent TCP sessions at a host and scan level as well. I click on Save, and I now have my scan. I click on Launch, and I click on Host Discovery, and we see now that the scan is running. Okay, we now see the scan has completed, under status completed, and we see the host that it identified. We can actually click on that row and sort it. If we click on vulnerabilities, you'll see here there are only two plugins that ran, Nessus Scan Information and Ping the Remote Host. And now you performed a host discovery scan using Nessus.